Welcome to my channel of It's Marcus. That's me. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Marcus, and today I am back with another video. And hey, before we get into this compilation video, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So let's get this going. Now, you might have remembered that the compilation of my burping video, huh? Well, excuse me. That was just an example right there. Well, you see, for part 2, it's gonna be a little bit different, and I think you're gonna love this one. But well, let's see how it goes here. One of these babies. Excuse me. It's very good. Excuse me. Yep, it was. Excuse me. Made style. Cause you know, they're really good, but there's nothing you can beat the homemade food. Ooh boy, excuse me. Excuse me. Well, you should try it. It's new, upgraded with these garlic fries. Remember that. It's the size watermelon. Let me just go get it out of the refrigerator, and I'll show you the one I was. Whoops. Well, guys, I hope you all enjoyed that little the burping compilation. But well, I guess that's it in the video right now. But if you guys do like this video, be sure you give this thing a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So I'll see you next time in the spot. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.